welcome to our channel login once again. Hope you're doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to manage Duet privacy settings for all of your videos in TikTok. And now without further ado, let's start right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Okay, first let's open up our TikTok app. Let's go to our profile by tapping on the profile button on the bottom right corner of your phone. And after that, you can see the three line icon on the top right corner of your phone. Tap there to go to your settings, and after that you can see the settings and privacy option pop out. Let's tap there, and after that you can see the privacy option, which is the second one under the account category. Let's go there and let's tap there, and you can see the Duet option over here. You just need to scroll down a little bit. So let's go there, let's tap on Duet. And after you get here, you can see three options: everyone, friends, or only me. Under the category, you can do it with your videos. If you select the everyone category, so since the red button or red option is glowing over the everyone option, so everyone can do it with you right now. If you tap on the friends like this, and it will change to friends, and the friends now has the red option, red tick mark over here. So this means that only your friends will be able to do it with your videos. And if you tap on the only me option, then only you will be able to do it with your videos. Since I want everybody to do it with my videos, since my account is new, I will tap it. I will select the everyone option over here like this. And so basically, to allow everybody to do it with your videos or not will be in your control, and you do as you prefer. But selecting everyone is my preference. And there guys, managing your Duet privacy settings for all of your videos, or allowing or not allowing to make duets with your video in TikTok is this easy. And if you have any comments or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.